All right, welcome to the channel. Welcome to yet another episode of Stock Market Watch List. So this video is going to pretty much be dedicated to the beginning investor who does not know where to get started. All right, so I've once heard it said that life lessons begin at home. Now, this is my opinion. I also believe that your investing journey starts at home as well, and I'll explain why. So how many people use catch-up? Now, this is a publicly traded company, Heinz. The whole name, I believe, is Kraft Heinz. And to my knowledge, they do pay dividends. And here's another one, for example. The company that owns Scott Tissue is Kimberly-Clark. I believe the ticker is KMB. They also pay a dividend. And here's yet another one, Colgate. The ticker is CL. They also pay a dividend. Here's yet another one. You got an iPhone or a MacBook like I do. Have you looked into Apple perhaps? Now dig this, how many drinkers are in the house? Yes, this company also trades publicly, Hennessy. It's under the ticker LVMH. That's actually Louis Vuitton Hennessy Moet. Oh, and by the way, LVMH does pay a dividend. Now, I'm not actually endorsing any of these companies that I mentioned. This is more of a mindset video more than anything. This is just again catering to the beginning investor, where to begin looking. Yeah, so instead of looking for the next Nvidia or whatever major company out there that you know is doing big things, start at home.
And learn trading, learn investing, learn psychology of the market.
All right, if you found value in the content, please like, share, subscribe. And also, if you're interested in starting your stock investing journey, there's 2 links in the description, one for Webull and one for Robinhood. Or you can choose any brokerage of your choice. Now let's get back to the video. Now you see here, this is a Bose speaker. Now Bose does not trade publicly, but I showed this for a reason. So I showed Bose because I just wanted to get the beginning investor an idea of, while they're in the house before they go out, look around and take a look at the companies you already spend money with. That's the whole theme of this video. Now getting back to that Bose example, you best believe, because I spend a lot of money with Bose, I love the products. I'm very satisfied with it. And if they were to ever trade publicly, you best believe I will be having shares of it. Now, these companies that I did mention, now it's not a personal endorsement. This is only my opinion, but again, just trying to show the beginning investor at least where to start looking. Now, these things that I have mentioned, they might not even be conducive to what you're trying to do. My point is, you don't have to do, well, you do have to do some research, but but if you start at home, it'll help you a whole lot. Even say, if you go out, going to the mall, doing whatever it is you do, say you pass a Best Buy and you spend money there, maybe you might want to add that to your watch list. Like eating fast food, maybe you might want to look at McDonald's, or if you eat at Popeyes, you might want to look at QSR, that's the ticker. See, so in essence, this video was more a mindset video, not a recommendation, but again, just to get the beginning investor an idea of where to at least get started. So in closing, this is a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. These are things based on my opinion only. Till next video, love you, be well, peace.